podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the Corneille Bridge to observe the superb gilding on the roof of the cathedral. On the ridge, that is to say the meeting line between the two sides of a roof, we can see it like a comic strip in 3D version. You can notably recognize a series of cherubim or angel heads, crosses, and vases. These are ornaments dating from the 16th century. This gilding, visible on engravings of the period, was destroyed in 1822 during a fire caused by lightning. To recreate them, it was necessary to draw inspiration from quotes from the time and from the tombs of the cardinals of Amboise, located in the cathedral itself. There, we find coats of arms, cherubs, and the famous legend of Saint George. Let's now take a closer look at these magnificent gilding, largely made of metal, lead, copper, and bronze. At the right end of the roof, we find Saint George slaying the winged dragon. Below, a princess waits praying with a sheep at her feet. She was the dragon's next prey, like two other young people below. Other young people who have escaped the feast dance around the drum, which supports the statue. But why did the dragon need to eat people? Well, quite simply to calm him down, according to legend. It was necessary to feed him 2 or 3 people every day. The outcome of the confrontation between the dragon and Saint George differs according to historians. For some, the dragon is mortally wounded, and for others, it was also represented in iconography as the princess's gentle pet, who keeps it on a leash. Note that an explanatory panel has been installed at the foot of the cathedral for those who would like to fully immerse themselves in the details.